This video is of my 1930 Locke mower with a Briggs FI engine on it. It's mower serial number 530, and I'm going to get in a little closer. Hopefully you can still hear me. Briggs & Stratton FI serial number 14078. These are the original Locke mower, made from 1928 to 1930. They made approximately, roughly around 250 of them. They're pretty rare. A few things aren't original on this machine. The toolbox is not original. The handle's not original. It's from a 1935. The toolbox I cut down from a 35. It was all rotted, and I cut it down to the dimensions of the original style toolbox. The grass shield isn't original, but it's the same style. The cutter isn't original, but it works. I actually cut grass with this every week, and it runs great. There are a lot of unique features about the original Locke mowers. The clutches, the brakes on them. Of course, the original ones had iron rollers. They had a manual chain tensioner on the traction drive clutch. I had this engine base welded. It was broken. This is an original oil can holder. When most people think of a Locke mower, they think of them as being the dark hunter green with a black engine, but these original ones were actually a lighter green, like a Coldwell green, with a black engine, and the engine base was actually light gray, and some of the side castings were light gray. And I usually don't repaint things, but I think I'm probably going to end up painting this, just so I could say I've got one that's in the original colors, which is kind of hard to find. See it, but there's actually some gray paint, original gray paint on the base. And there you go.